Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today on this webinar on getting started with online advertising using smart campaigns on Google Ads. First, a quick intro on CampaignHero. Our mission is to provide all businesses with access to incredible digital marketing tools and expertise to help them grow. We're part of an award-winning digital marketing agency and a trusted Google Premier partner, Broad-Place Advertising. And with our unique software, we help put an expert digital marketing consultant on your phone. With our fantastic mobile app, we can help you get online for the first time, manage your existing ad campaigns, provide hundreds of recommendations to improve the performance of your campaigns using our innovative technologies, as well as provide you with access to an expert digital marketing consultant via our live chat features. My name is Dan and I'm the head of CampaignHero. I've been building and delivering performance marketing solutions and technology platforms across Europe for over 10 years. Today I'm very pleased to be talking to you about successful digital marketing solutions for SMEs. I'd like to take you through a quick intro into using Google Ads for marketing, looking at what Google Ads is and what the new smart campaigns from Google are and how you can benefit from them. I'll show you step by step how you can build your own smart campaign with Google Ads, along with some of the top tips for making a good start. Plus, I'll give you an overview of how you can request a hero campaign, a fully optimized smart campaign built by a trained and qualified Google Ads professional, with all the benefits of the CampaignHero app thrown on top. It's all available to you in just a few minutes, plus there are some amazing incentives like free ad credit, free campaign creation, and even discounted websites and landing pages for your business to help you get online quickly and easily. But first, a quick bit of background on Google Ads. You're probably already familiar with Google, but let's quickly refresh ourselves on exactly how Google Ads works and what it might mean to you as a business. Well, Google Ads allows you to get in front of potential customers by letting you place your ads on the world's most popular search engine, Google. It works across any device and you can target specific locations and searches. Let's spend a couple of minutes just looking at this refresher video from Google that can help us summarize how Google Ads can help you grow as a business and how those ads might look.
So you're ready to advertise on Google. You've come to the right place. We know it can seem complicated at first. That's why we're here to help. Before we jump in, let's go over what search ads are. Imagine you're a florist. At any given moment, someone somewhere is using Google to search for what your business offers. They start by typing a search query into the Google search box. Oh dear, this one's cutting it a bit close. So we have our problem. Someone needs red roses fast. And we have our solution, your business. How do we match the two up and make sure they get the flowers in time? Let's look at the search results. First, there are what we call organic search results. These match their search but aren't paid ads. Then there are search ads. These usually show above the organic results and provide helpful info that matches the search. You've probably seen these before. They have a small tag that says ad on them. What's the point of search ads, you ask? Well, they help businesses just like yours stand out within the search results and get noticed by the people who are searching. So if your business can get them out of trouble with some speedy flower delivery, this is where you want to pop up. It looks like you've saved the day. But this is just the first step in our journey. We've created a series of short step-by-step videos to walk you through the process. You'll learn how to create a campaign, pick the right keywords, write great text ads, track your goals, and review your performance. Before you start the lessons ahead, you'll need to have a Google Ads account. If you don't have one yet, you can go to ads.google.com to create one now. Once you've opened your account, it's time for the next step. Just keep watching to learn how to create your first campaign.
Okay, great. Now we've got a better understanding of the benefits of Google Ads, we can move on to the newest solutions, specifically designed for businesses like yours, smart campaigns. Smart campaigns use the latest technology to make Google Ads more effective and easier than ever. To help us understand the benefits, let's run through another quick explainer video and see how smart campaigns work and what exactly makes them so powerful.
To get started with Google's smart campaigns, select your business goal, where you want to advertise, and launch. Keywords, complex bidding strategies, Google's smart campaigns take care of all that. Say you're a bakery, and there's a holiday coming up. While you're busy icing, Google's smart campaigns will serve your ad to people searching for cakes just at the right moment. Click the button to get started today.
So let's summarize those benefits quickly. We're able to create quick and easy ads. Like other Google solutions, we only pay when someone clicks on our ad or calls our business. Plus, we can attract customers to our website or map listing. In addition to those benefits, smart campaigns are simple, so they require less ongoing management. Your ads work on all the devices that your potential customers are using, like computers, tablets, or mobile devices. Plus, you can keep an eye on results, viewing the effectiveness of your ads in a simple, easy-to-use dashboard. So next, I want to take you step by step through how to create a well-built smart campaign for your business today, and you can start driving potential customers to your business and grow online. The first thing that you'll need to do is to visit ads.google.com or search for Google Ads online. And you can click on the first link, which is a Google ad itself. And once the page loads, you'll see in the top right-hand corner, Start Now. Here you should be automatically directed to create a smart campaign, and you'll be prompted to start advertising in 3 steps. We'll walk you through each one, what it means, and how to complete it. So press Create Advertising to start. The first screen will show you your options for the different objectives that are available. You'll have a choice of 3 different variants: calls, visits to your store or location, or more website sales or leads. If you want to just drive phone calls and want to talk to customers before they book, for example, then choose calls. If, on the other hand, you have a location like a physical store, a shop or restaurant, and that's the primary goal for you, then you'll want to choose this. And finally, if you have a website, most of your business is or can be done online, like purchasing online or filling out a form online, then this is the best option for you. By choosing the most relevant objective to your business, Google can automatically tailor how and where your ads are shown to be more effective for you. In this case, we'll select calls and pick this goal to move to the next section. In this section, we'll choose which business we want to set up our ads for. As we're creating a new business and a new ad set, we'll click New Business at the bottom. In this case, we already have an awesome Hero page website built using the CampaignHero app. Our Hero page website is already optimized for speed, conversions, and looks great on multiple devices. So we'll use that here. However, if you don't have a website, you can request one directly in the CampaignHero app, or we can set up a listing with Google using Google My Business for you, which we really recommend, and you can learn about that in our other webinars and in the webinar links. Next, we'll work on our audience, choosing where our customers are located, which might be a specific area like England, or perhaps a radius around my business location. In this case, we're going to look to choose a radius, as we're really looking for customers who are located within 10 miles of our business location. You'll see over here in the right-hand corner, I can see the potential size of my audience at this stage. And keep an eye here as we continue setting up a campaign. We'll be able to see it change and get more targeted as we add different conditions and better select our ideal customer. In this stage of our targeting and audience, we'll select the type of terms or phrases that people type in when they're searching for a business like ours. Remember, we'll want to be specific here, so we're only showing ads to people who are looking for our particular product or service specifically, so I'll choose employment lawyer here. We'll see the potential audience size change based on what I choose and other recommendations which I may wish to choose from. In this case, I'm going to add immigration employment law, and employment solicitor phone consultation. Now we'll move on to the creative section. We'll choose what people will see when they see an ad for our business after searching on Google for our products and services. We've automatically got an example ad here, which really helps, but we recommend adding a few different variations so Google can show the most effective one and test different ad variations. Here we'll fill in the details, remembering to be specific to our business, helpful to the user, highly relevant, and convincing and compelling, showing our value proposition and a good call to action to users. Once we've written our ad and we're happy with it, we can preview how it looks on different devices and across Google Search and partner sites. We recommend adding at least 3 different variations and then progressing to the next step. In the next section, as we're looking to drive phone calls, we'll need to add the number that we want potential customers to call when clicking on our ad. Google will replace this with a unique tracking number so we can see exactly how many calls we've had from our ads. This is completely free and all calls will still come through straight to our business number. Let's press next and see about setting up our budget. Based on the choices we made earlier, Google will recommend a budget to meet our business goals, taking into account factors like competition, the area we want to cover, and the type of products and services we sell. You'll see in the top right, the estimated audience has now been replaced with estimated performance, showing how different budgets will affect how many people in that audience will see our ads each month, and how many clicks that's likely to generate. You can adjust your budget here to suit your needs and review how your budget works. Remember, you only pay when your ads are clicked on or someone calls your business. The cost may vary for each click, but you won't spend more than your set monthly budget, keeping you in control. And you can change this budget at any time based on performance, in case you change your mind. It's really flexible. In this case, I'm happy with a budget of approximately £15 a day and 460 maximum monthly budget. And I'm likely to get between 91 and 154 clicks each month for that budget. Now I'm happy and comfortable with that, I can press next to review my whole campaign together. On this page, I'll see a summary of what we've built so far, including my campaign goal and objective, the estimated performance based on my chosen budget, the locations and areas, and the ads I've created. Once we're happy with all of this, I can press next to set my campaigns live. After this, I'll be redirected to the dashboard where my newly launched campaigns will start filling up with data over the next few days. Here I can see all the activity like calls, clicks, and costs. We hope this walkthrough into launching Google Ads Smart Campaigns has been helpful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop us a message or leave us a note in the comments.
If you're looking for assistance in getting online for the first time, building a new campaign, or just looking for improvements and recommendations for an existing campaign, you can speak to the CampaignHero team about how we can help you deliver optimized digital marketing. If you want to get all the benefits of a smart campaign, plus access to additional benefits from the CampaignHero app, we're making things even easier by building your business a completely customized smart campaign completely free. Each campaign is crafted by a fully qualified Google Ads professional and comes with 5 amazing CampaignHero superpowers to help you get off to a great start. We'll take care of the research and planning about where to show your ads and what terms to appear for. We'll create a strong structure and ads based on our years of experience in copywriting and testing ads. You can make a request in just a few minutes and we'll take care of everything else, saving you even more time. The team will also help you with tracking, so you can see the full value of your ad campaigns, setting up things like Google Analytics, call tracking, or tracking events on site. Finally, we'll monitor your ads using our software, and you'll receive a free weekly report and summary video in the app. Plus, we'll even implement improvements each month to your campaign to ensure your results stay on track and help you meet your business goals. For a limited time only, we're also offering an amazing incentive with each new hero campaign we help set up.
So, if you launch a campaign, you can claim up to £120 extra in ad credit to spend in your second month of advertising. If you're interested in launching a Hero campaign, just leave us a comment or message us in the app.